Masquerade say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa galwaka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi mrezi Zimbabwe takigira nye yabuditwa na Susan Mutami yabuda. Achitaura mafiro arikuita ma Brigadier General emuno mu Zimbabwe ne ndofunga ma Senior Army Generals pane 2 vafa in 1 week. Zvakonzeresa kuti vanowanda vabude vachibvunza what is happening kuma Army General. Zvakare munguva yeCovid ma Army Generals vanga prominent akati one day akashaika kusanganisira na Parents Shiri na Sibusiso Moyo. Tongoti soon after coup ma generals ari kudona. Zvakonza ma speculations ekuti vanhu vataura kuti hakunomira mushe mune factionalism mu ZANU-PF iri kuda kudonedza ma military generals ayo ari kunzi they are backing Vice President Constantino Chiwenga kuti vaonekwe vachipinda pa president. Ndofunga takaona one of my personal assistant one of my former personal assistant, ndofunga takaona the former personal assistant wa Vice President Constantino Chiwenga vakashana navo vari general vari Zimbabwe National Army Commander Michael Chaminuka vakashaikwa. So now pane nyaya yabuditswa na vakashaika mazuva apfuura. So now pane nyaya yabuditswa na Susan Mutami achitaura iye achitaura kuma Army Generals kuti they should eat kuma restaurants. Abuda achitaura maurayirwo avari kuitwa. Funga tinongonzwa vazhinji vari kunzi they are dying of short illnesses. So abuda on here Ex-Yendo akataura achiti, dear Zimbabwe National Army Generals, in case you might be wondering how you are all dying of short illnesses, when I used to be a regular VIP guest at Defense House, lunch was always prepared and delivered for the generals. Why don't you consider abandoning food that is brought to your offices and buy your own lunch and beverages from different restaurants? Make sure you keep changing restaurants and to confuse the enemy. MID should invest in radiation detection equipment so you can check your vehicles before getting in. Inside the offices, swab your chairs and desks before you start the day, otherwise you are all going to die. Judging by the pattern of how things are going, it looks like you need to swiftly go back to the drawing board and re-strategize. Those are Buddha chitaurwa na Susan Mutami muri Zimbabwe advise kuma Senior Army Generals chinzi they should not eat from restaurants, they should not eat from chikafu chekusevwa nearmy. Akataura zvakare achiti they should also clean pavanogara chinzi nekuti pari kubva ma short illnesses iwawa muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga akabuda zvakare achitaura achiti Sibusiso Moyo was assassinated nebato reZANU-PF. Akabuda zvakare achiti Parents Shiri akaassassinated zvakare kuburikidza nechikafu chaakadya muri Zimbabwe chinzi he was poisoned. Tisingazive kuti ndizvo zviri kuitika mubato reZANU-PF kana kuti mugovernment kana kuti vari kuurayana here kana kuti kwava kukura ya old age iri kuuraya vanhu ava muri Zimbabwe. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Ndofunga inyaya yakanetsa vanhu vakawanda kutaura kwati tiri kuita brother yaParents Shiri Peter Zimondi ari kunzi aita accident. He was one of my Air Force bosses muri Zimbabwe. So what is going on ku government ikoko neku army vari kurayana here kana kuti zveshuwo ma circumstances aya ari natural. Tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya yabuditswa na Susan Mutami kuti chokwadi here vari kurayana here vanhu ava kana kuti one of my social media activists anozviti Jairos abuda achitaura iye achiti ma generals ari kuraiwa so that Chiwenga anopa power kuna Sean Mnangagwa. Tisingazive kuti inyaya chokwadi here kana kuti abuda achitaura iye achiti he is not taking chances, he will wipe them all. This month alone, July 2024, 2 senior army military men have succumbed to a short illness. Let me repeat, vachapera rumwe nerumwe until Chiwenga, who survived the first assassination plot, endorsed Sean Mnangagwa yabuda achikomenta on his post iyo yakabuda kutaura iye achiti generals akaparticipate mukuuya November 2017 vese vari kuurayiwa. Abuda achiti the most prominent military men who lost their lives since November 2017 coup apparents shiri Sibusiso Moyo, Douglas nyika yaramba yedzai chimonyo and paradzai zimondi. Most of these succumbed to COVID. Most of them were close to the now weakened General Chiwenga. Buda achiti the following are departed men that you may have never heard of, but they all died post the November 2017. Some were retired but played a part in toppling Mugabe. Some were eliminated for what they know and were viewed as potential threat to the man on the throne. And when Godfrey Chanakira died, there was a bitter tension between Chiwenga and Mnangagwa. ED wanted him declared as provincial hero, but Chiwenga resisted. The list starts with Godfrey Chanakira. And Colonel Mhlanga was assassinated in a fatal road accident along Bulawayo Plum Tree Highway while on his way to Botswana. Colonel Mhlanga had connections with Chiwenga and was known to Colonel Minyotaba Baloyi, Chiwenga's new wife. At 5, Colonel Dennis Pahla died from injuries sustained in a road traffic accident along Harare Chinwe Road. Assassins forced the car he was traveling in Gwebi River. Brigadier General Charles Kaneta mysteriously collapsed and died at his farm in Nyanga. He was very close to Chiwenga and was part of the Army senior officers who coordinated Chiwenga's November 2017 coup. Mnangagwa was very suspicious of him. So the Major General Sidney Bebe, another Chiwenga confidant, died all of a sudden at the Avenues Clinic. Prior to his death, he was fit as Fidu. Again, because Mnangagwa wanted power to himself, he had to apply the mathematical principle to eliminate by substitution. So when the general retired, Clever Chiramba succumbed to COVID. He was a military strategist and he had worked with Chiwenga as his deputy at 5th Brigade in Gweru in 1985 and 1988. He retired in 2004 but remained Chiwenga's advisor, leading to the November 2017 coup. Brigadier General Emilio Munemo died only a year and some months after the November 2017 coup. It was a very short illness. He was believed to be one of those who had finer details of the plot to oust Mugabe. He would pass some of the information to his son, A.C. Lumumba. The Brigadier General Fidelis Satuku died in 2021 at the military hospital in Mutare, allegedly after poisoning leading to kidney complications. Chiwenga, who was treated in military hospital in China following poisoning, was close to Satuku. And the Brigadier General Colin Moyo died in 2021, allegedly after his blood test showed some abnormalities, substances which were suspected to be a result of poisoning. He died at a hematology center in Harare. They had their differences with ED over Zika properties and war veterans warfare. The Brigadier General Sambulo Ndlovu succumbed to COVID. He was a Soviet Union trained military communications guru and tactical trainer with close links to General Chiwenga. His links to Chiwenga made him a threat. Zabuda chitaurwa na jana majera jeros muri Zimbabwe tingaziva kuti mwana sei kuti vaviri ava vafa vakatedzana mwedzi uno wa July. Kuuraya kana kuti tudzo zvamufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.